This evening we are joined by Mr. Jitendra Jain, MD and CEO of Neev Group, and Mr. Hemal Jain, Director Business Development Homes of the Neev Group. So, Mr. Jitendra Jain, I'd like to ask you, how did you come up with the name Neev for your group?
Neev is like Indian word which says the foundation, and without the solid foundation you cannot go ahead any construction or any building. It is a very healthy word which gives you the solidness that our group has. Forthcoming projects and whatever projects we do, we have solid background and we have solid stability in our company. That is why we have kept the name Neev.
And Mr. Hemal Jain, what made you, participate this year in the MCHI property exhibition?
Basically, we have a lot of projects in hand, and also we thought that brand awareness is quite important, and there is a need for individual buyers to know the developer, and that is the reason we thought MCHI is the best platform where we see entire people coming all over the Bombay and around the nearby Bombay to buy a flat. So we thought of having an exhibitor to participate.
Right. And what can you say, like what can a customer avail when he buys a flat from an MCHI member such as you?
Sorry?
What can a customer avail, like the benefits that a customer gets once he buys a flat from an MCHI member like you?
See, now basically even if you are a member of an MCHI, we have to conduct code of the conduct which we have to follow. Plus, we have also quality awareness which MCHI has already given us. Even the rates in our carpet area which we do, which is all under this code of conduct. So that helps a benefit to each and individual flat buyers.
And Mr. Jitendra Jain, I'd like to ask you how has been the experience so far, and what has been a personal highlight for you in this MCHI exhibition?
Being the first day of the exhibition, the response is I cannot explain, but it is extraordinary. Like there are like more than 3,000 footfalls, and out of 3,000 footfalls today at our stall, there's more than 800 footfalls at our individual stall, and which is tremendous. And overall experience, the way MCHI has organized this exhibition, the way the people behind this overall structure, the way they have managed the entrance, the lobby, the reception, registration, everything is fantastic. Pretty happy with the organization.
Mr. Jitendra, one question. In other words, you are participating for the first time at MCHI, right?
Yeah.
Did you ever have this kind of footfall anywhere else before, if you exhibited with any other place or any other location?
No, more precisely, I have seen many exhibitions in many places, like all around India and outside the Dubai and all the other places. But this year, I'm telling you more precisely, the way it has been done, the way the people are coming, it is, I cannot explain. But it is very good, very good. The response, I've not expected this much good, but really nice.
And your projects are Bombay based or India based?
No, we are particularly in Bombay based, but very soon we are coming far suburbs like near to Kalyan and Kalyan side, Nasik side nearby. We are coming up with the cities and more large size of projects and cities kind of things.